The sewing machine. Singer sewing machines. Old Singer sewing machines. Could it be 100 years old? 80 years old? I gather I'd say 80 years old for sure. Look at that. Spin that baby around. That gets the idea of that, right? Sewing machines. Fabulous. Garments. So they must be selling clothes in here, right? Don't you think? All Saints. Spitalfields. Okay. Huh? Cool. In Boston. On Newbury Street. Am I going too fast? Okay. December evening. You got the idea? Geno TV. It's on a Wednesday evening. Mid-December. Nice night out. Wind's starting to pick up a little bit. Newbury Street. Hats, this, that, the other. I don't know. Not too high.